Hey YouTube, welcome back. So this one is the level 2 charging adapter from J1772 to Tesla. So I got this out of eBay. I think the seller was selling this for $16, which was the cheapest that I found. So I put in an offer for $14, and somehow the seller accepted free shipping plus tax. So total was like less than $16 with tax and everything. So, and somehow they sent it through Amazon. Anyway, let's go and then open this up and see how is the quality on this thing. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. I purchased with my own money. So it said the rating is 80 amp, 250 volt, and up to 20 kilowatt. So this is not compatible with the CCS. J1772 to Tesla adapter. So in case you go to your friend's house and then they only have a J1772 and you forgot to bring your mobile charging adapter, so you need to use this. Unless you went to the 7 kilowatt, like a hotel that offer free charging, then you need to use this adapter in case all the Tesla charging station is so full. So yeah, the build quality is pretty okay. So yeah, let's go and then connect to the J1772 and see how it fit. Yeah, so this is our Lucid level 2 charging. Right now it's level 1 because it's 110. So when I plug into the level 2 charging, this is the J1772. Go and then plug it in and see. Well, let me use my 2 hands to plug in, push in. There you go. Now it's become a Tesla charger. Okay? Fit in there very nicely, so in case I buy a Tesla. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.